So I woke up today, I went through my backyard and I was going to water those plants. That's aloe vera and I love it. And I moved to curry. That is curry. I water my curry and I was just pouring water on it then so that it will look green and fresh so that I'll use it to eat noodles and rice. So after that, I moved to the aloe vera again, put more water to make it look fresh so that I can drink it. So I still need to do a lot of things to make it look better. So this is what I do every day. Like during this dry season, this is what I do with my plant at my backyard. So what you're looking at here, this is bitter leaf. If you love bitter leaf, say hi. So this is bitter leaf. I water it too. So after that, just pouring water to make sure that the water goes everywhere. And I have bitter leaf at my back. I have scent leaf. I have aloe vera. I have curry, and I have a water leaf too. So I have those leaves that anytime I need it, I'll just go down and then cut and then make use of it. So what do you think? Is it good to have plants at the back of your house? Or what do you think, or what do you say about having some little plants at the back of your house? So look at the water leaf. I'm still trying to nurture this one, so it's about coming up. So that's it. Look at it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and a lot of videos. Benue Family TV promoting Africa. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Yeah, the one you see the other side there, that's my scent leaf. Yeah. So I have plenty of it at the back of my house.